Homes are going under contract on the Maryland Eastern Shore, 23.5% more over last year, though it is taking longer this year. It's Friday, June 6, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore Report. The median time to contract is 35 days, so sellers have to wait longer this year, though they are getting more money as the median list price rose 3.9% year over year. Homes for sale remained relatively unchanged from last report at 2,101. 170 properties are due to the market soon. Homes going under contract rose 26% to 177 going under contract in 35 days. 185 properties settled at 98.4% list to sold ratio, with days before contract falling to 18 days. 110 homes are for lease, available at a median $2,300 a month. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, June 6, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.